Sal on number 1.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Here we are.
Number 4.
I believe this is race 5. Race 5.
Number 7.
This is A main. See what we can do here. Here's all the fast boys.
All right. Less than 5.
Oh shit, somebody's wheel fell off again over there. That's the first and second right there. Sal's be ripping it right here. And we got Fernando. We got Matt. Yeah. Ah! Dang, Matt's out. Car stopped working. Down Fernando, Sal's getting rid of the lap. Here comes the leader! Oh! Man. Sal just passed 2 guys. Fernando's right behind him. They're finally through that traffic. Trying to turn the burners on.
Few minutes left.
Matt's back on the track. Oh, got his wheel back on. There goes Sal. Oh man, he's got a big lead now. He's got 1 car to get around though. There you go. Cool. That car let him by. That's what you're supposed to do.
The top driver for Fernando Hooker in first place, followed by Sal Posada in second place, followed by Julio Reyes in
Oh, Sal in second place. Oh wow, I thought he was in first.
Second. Fourth. Fifth. Second. Third. First. Fifth.
Matt's doing wheelies.
Fourth. Second. First. Third. Fourth. Fourth. 1 minute left. Fourth. 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 25 seconds left. Fourth. Second. Fourth. 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 30 seconds left. Fourth. Second. Fourth. 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 15 seconds left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 6 marching and front. Fourth Lauren St. Clair done. Second Salvasada done. Fifth New Year Road done. First Fernando has been
All
done.
right, guys.
All drivers are finished. The race is completed.
Yeah, it's just not going to keep that rear tire.
No, it does not want to, does it?
No, it's not. Like, I don't know what the deal is with the rim.
Huh.
See
Rounding out?
Rounded out.
Oh, yeah. You know, was it the third race before that? Somebody got like 3 sets that he went through.
Yeah.
And it rounded them all out.
All right, guys, hold up on the podium. We gotta fix something in the computer on the laps here. So sound, let's see, first lap. Now.
Yeah, I thought you were first, right?
Yeah. So, no, it didn't count on the first lap, so I gotta. Yeah.
You got your buddy Greg here pushing buttons.
Yeah, see, he's like,
I wouldn't know how to do it.
Okay, so first place Sal, second Fernando, third Julio to the podium.
nice job, man. That
Thanks,
was-
brother.
I was like, man, all of a sudden it said Fernando was in first. I'm like, wait a minute.
It miscounted on that. I'm sorry, I forgot your first name.
Kurt.
Kurt. Okay. How do you spell it?
K-U-R-T.
Okay, same like this, Kurt.
What?
You spelled it the same way?
No, he's Kurt.
He's Kurt.
He's Kurt. I'm Ryan.
How the fuck did I keep calling you Kurt?
I don't know.
So, because that website you put me on, you know.
Mine's NorCal Mini Moto.
Text that to me. I want that. So it's Ryan, R-Y-A-N?
Yes, correct.
Yeah. This fucking brain doesn't work anymore, man.
Mine's just slow, so.
It's all good, man. Check this out, Sal. I was dragging my nose the whole time. Oh, you had no steering. Oh,
None at
dude.
all.
So that happened in the beginning, and you
Right
were,
here.
I heard you say so. That fucked up your whole thing. It did. That sucks.
I don't know.
We gotta figure out a better way to start. You need to be pulling up a part just to get moving, you know?
That ain't no fun. That's exciting when you guys all crash at the beginning.
You get hit. I know.
That was
going
a good
the other
crash.
way.
It's good
That was a
film.
good crash.
Going the other way, you're spaced out. So somebody needs to space you out.
You know, when we ran here like before going clockwise? Oh, you ready? Here, come on. Put bud. That's some love, man.